In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Bluetooth headphones that are connected but have no sound here in Windows 11. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this issue can be super annoying because your headphones show as connected, but no audio is obviously coming through. Here's a few fixes that you could try. The first thing I would recommend doing is right-clicking the sound icon down on your taskbar, and then from here, go ahead and select Sound Settings. Under the Output section right here, you're going to want to make sure that it is set to your Bluetooth headphones and make sure that they are actually selected in this option as well. If they are not, choose them from the list and see if that fixes the problem. If that didn't work or your headphones don't appear here, essentially go to the Bluetooth and devices section on this left-hand sidebar and then scroll down until you see the option for devices and select it. Once you're on devices, scroll down a little bit more, and what you're looking for specifically on here is going to be more devices and printer settings. Select this and it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. Essentially, what you're going to do in here is find your headphones, right click on them, and then go ahead and go into your properties. And when you are in your properties, I know this is a lot to look at on the screen, but go to the services tab on here. And if you see an option called hands-free telephony, try unchecking it, hit apply, and then hit OK. Check to see if the sound starts working. If your headphones still aren't showing up though, go back to the main Bluetooth and devices setting, just like so. Find your headphones on here, select the little down arrow, hit remove this device, and then go ahead and go back up to add device and then reconnect it using Bluetooth. Once they are connected again, go back to your sound settings and just make sure your headphones are selected as the output. Hopefully one of these fixes did resolve the issue and your Bluetooth headphones start working properly again here in Windows 11. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.